Now, in the third part of the HVAC basics video, we understood about the parameters involving comfort air conditioning and industrial air conditioning. The third type of air conditioning is called precision air conditioning, or it is also called process cooling. So the end objective of process cooling or precision air conditioning is to support systems or processes that have been so meticulously designed that they require very precise, very accurate regulation of parameters like temperature and humidity, typically because they have a very low tolerance limit. Now, when it comes to a system like comfort air conditioning, you can have a wider band of temperature. Your air conditioning system need not control temperature up to 0.5 degrees centigrade, or your air conditioning system need not control humidity with a plus minus 5% tolerance limit. Whereas, as we discussed in industrial air conditioning, the tolerance limit or the band, acceptable band, may be narrower. And in precision air conditioning, it is the narrowest. You will have to control temperature up to with a tolerance of like plus minus zero point 0.5 degrees centigrade. Failing to do this may lead to failure of the systems for which you have provided air conditioning, and that can cost your client or your customer loads of money. So process air conditioning or process cooling or precision air conditioning therefore is a niche segment, is a very specific high value segment, and is taken care of only by certain players in the air conditioning systems market. Therefore, if you end up getting into the precision air conditioning industry, you end up working in one of the niche segments, and therefore you may be considered as a most wanted professional in the air conditioning industry. So, summarizing our discussion till now, HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It is not air conditioning alone. HVAC professionals are part of the building services industry. Air conditioning is the simultaneous control of temperature and relative humidity of air. It's an application of refrigeration. Air conditioning is just not about providing cooling. Air conditioning systems are also required to maintain a certain level of filtration and meet indoor air quality requirements according to statutory requirements in a given locality or a given country or a given city. Comfort air conditioning is aimed at providing comfort to the occupants. Industrial air conditioning is aimed at helping industries to meet industrial regulations. Process cooling or precision air conditioning is intended to support processes and systems which have been meticulously designed and which require precise regulation of parameters. With this, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. As far as possible, keep your questions specific and relevant to the topic that we have discussed. And if you have any generic questions about our course, you can also post them on our FB page. Thank you for being a part of this video. We look forward to posting more videos that will help you improve your knowledge of HVAC concepts and principles, and therefore make you a more confident HVAC professional. See you in the next video.